Okay guys, once you decide that you want some modification, so you want some modification or upgrade your car suspension system or braking system, that means you must have all the parts in one place. So you must have all the parts together, comes together, and you have to find the parts, right parts for the right modification, right parts for the right customization, right upgrade. So you must need all parts come together. So this is the disc braking system conversion parts. You can see on the video, all comes together. So the accessories actually is very important, once you do something upgrade, the accessories is very important, like this, the brake pads. This also OEM 100% recondition each brake pads, the brake pads, the nut and bolts. So even the nut and bolts, even the clips, even the accessories, every accessories, nut and bolts, okay, the brake cables, the brake cable, handbrake cable holding points, the calipers, the accessories, the bolts must have in one place, and really genuine. You see the thickness of the pads. The brake pad thickness is very important. As you can see here, the thickness is very important here. See, follow here, follow this part. See, the important is the brake pad thickness, you see. So yeah, the brake pad thickness is very important for the performance braking when you on track, when you drive, when you on the road enjoying your drive. So you must have confidence to braking. You must have when you brakes, must have full confidence. Okay, so the thickness, see, the brake pads, the nut and bolts, and the accessories, the points, many things here. So it's very important. So always keep watching these things, because it's important. You have all these accessories when you install back to the car, when you upgrade something, like suspension system or braking system, or front big brakes upgrade, disc brakes upgrade. Yeah. So okay, yeah, that's for today. And see, you can see all parts in one place. All parts comes together in one place. The disc, okay, the hubs, the calipers, all is one together. Okay guys, enjoy full ride, man. Thank you so much. Okay gentlemen, the car guys, the car enthusiasts, the car lovers, the JDM lovers, car modification guys, the car lovers, guys and gals, welcome to my new video here. So this video actually is all about rear disc brake conversion for the 90 Toyota Corolla AE90, 100, 101, 111, AE Corolla 111. So all that compatible, especially this disc brakes kit for the 90s JDM Corolla, like 90, 100, 101, AE111. So what you can You name it, the car, man, you name it. So it's a really super duper. The 90s Corolla actually is the best project car. I strongly believe that the 90s JDM car is the best car in the world forever. Even the project car, you can like modified car, you can modify it, you can build it project car. Okay, so many things, so many modification items to install for this car. So now this is the rear disc brake kit actually. What you can see here, this is for Toyota Corolla 100. So for one of my clients asking me, hey, please arrange me a disc brake system for my Toyota 100 Corolla. So that I just got it, and then I decide to make a video for you guys so that you have the basic idea what is the disc braking system. So now, as you can see here, this is the backing plate, the disc, the rotor, the brake rotor here, the brake pads, the cable, handbrake cable, and the hubs, and the dust cover, and the caliper. So the caliper is very important, you guys. So there is a lot of type caliper, but you know the different type caliper. Actually this caliper you see, this caliper, it's a different looks. The car guy knows actually what is the different. Okay, so this is the hubs, and the back, the brake pads, the cover, sorry, the handbrake cable, some accessories here to install to feed the brake pads to the brake caliper. And this is the backing plate. I mean, you know, it's fits to the with the hubs. Okay, it comes with the hubs and the brake rotor, the brake rotor here. So that it's actually 100% recondition unit right now, still now, but there is a lot of job to do here. It's 100% recondition OEM unit, and recondition means actually this is not used in Bangladesh. I mean, not used in the second country. The first country in Japan. So Japan, one of the boss country in the world in automotive sector. I love Japan. I love so much. You know, I love really love the JDM parts. So the Japan, I mean, first country, the recondition, you know, parts means the first use only in Japan, and they don't use in the second country. So, you know, so many people, so many importer, so many guys import the parts from the Japan. Once, like, when they import the second country, that is called the recondition parts. Okay, that means used only in Japan. And as you can see, the condition man, that is the boss. That is the condition man. Yeah, I think you love this man, right? Who wants to convert tram to disc brakes. Ooh. Yeah, man, I also love it so much. I love so much to work with car. The braking system. So the braking system upgrade. It's all about the braking system upgrade. So when you want to upgrade something, you must have, and you must need the parts. So the parts you have to collect, or you have to buy, or you know, this and that, go here, go there, so many things. And then you have all the parts genuine, the original JDM super duper collection. Once you have all this collection, then you are ready to modification, you're ready to install to the car. And if you have a good parts, You feel very good, right, man? Okay, yeah. So if you have the good parts, you feel very nice, man. You feel very good with cars, with the cars. So now I have all these. I just collect everything and I'm very happy, so excited to show you guys what is this, man. This is the rear disc brakes kit. I mean upgrade kit or modification or customization, whatever you say, you name it, no problem. But the important is the parts, the stuffs, the goodies. So yeah, man. So you see, man, you guys, this is the one unit, right side, the passenger side, and this is the driver side. I mean both sides. So what you need two pair, right? I mean pair, right? Right side and left side, or passenger side or driver side, what you say. Okay, so this is the full unit. This is the full unit, man, and really I'm very happy, guys. Oh my god, it's very sweet, man. I'm really happy, man. And what do you feel? Please let me know, man. The car guys, please let me know what you feel. So this is the one unit here, and this is one more unit here. Fitment, it's to the Corolla 90, Toyota Corolla AE90, 100, 101 and 111, even E12, E11. Okay, gentlemen, how are you? Hope you guys, everyone is very good. Everyone is modification mood. Thank you so much. Have a nice ride. Have a nice, enjoyable ride. Have a nice day, guys. And yeah, thank you so much. And we'll be back with my next video. Stay tuned. And once again, thank you so much. And have a nice ride. Enjoyable ride. Bye.